inyanga namhlanje sesi Dark Room Studio number 1 ubaba uDokotela wenza ama video khona ke angikusho nje lokho I am inyanga ubaba uDokotela. I was initiated by Baba Magwaza 1993 ngoJuly 1993 ngoJuly. I didn't know that it will last this long and be seen by more than 7 million people, making videos, talking to people, telling them my story and other people's stories. I thank you for watching me. I thank you for following me. Abantu esiqale nabo ebinyangeni, abantu were with me, si-initiator kanye nabo 1996. God has called them. Ithonga selibabizile, but I'm still alive. Not because I'm intelligent, because God is protecting me. Ithongo linqabile. Izitha lapho zivula indlela khona ukuthi ngife lanqaba. Nakwena kuzokwenzeka. Nakwena kuzokwenzeka. I'm now known because of you people who didn't plan to kill me. Because of you people who adored me and shared my videos to other people